In this guide, we're going over the very best deck for you to use here in Arena 23 in Clash Royale. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But once again, Arena 23, we're going to be highlighting the Double Elixir Loon Freeze deck, and honestly, it just keeps proving itself why it's so strong. Essentially, this deck means that your main win condition is going to be the balloon, and pairing it with Lumberjack Rage makes it one of the hardest pushes to stop. If your opponent overcomes it on defense, essentially just drop a freeze at the perfect time and watch their tower melt. On defense, though, this deck is a fortress. Inferno Dragon handles tanks with ease, Electro Dragon keeps swarms and support troops stunned, and the Bowler shuts down any bridge spam. With Tornado, you can also pull everything together for huge value, and sometimes even activating the King Tower early. It's got godly defense, great versatility, and while it's not the most free-to-play friendly deck in the entire world, you're also in Arena 23 now, so you probably have the majority of these cards. And by far, this deck has one of the most consistent win conditions across high arenas. I know everyone's so scared to use Lumberloon because they think it makes them a loser. Listen, if you're stuck on a deck, just whip out Lumberloon, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this deck punishes mistakes hard. Double Elixir Loon Freeze is the way to go. If you do have any questions, ask us down below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.